Good afternoon, everyone. This is the midweek Tesla update, and let's get into it. So today we have earnings for Tesla, and you can see it's right now down roughly 3.5 to 4% after hours. The earnings came in pretty much aligned with expectation, but the reason I think it dropped is because of the margins. Margin was supposed to be set over 20%, but now it's in the 19s. So there's a psychological um, barrier there. Thinking 19 is a lot lower than it's supposed to be. Also, its cash flow is lower as well. So that's those two factors made Tesla drop in the after hours. You can see if I go to the 15-minute chart, you can see this drop in after hours here already. So right now we are in a daily confirmed downtrend. So if we do open up lower than 177, then it's in a daily downtrend. As long as it's lower than today's low, which is right here. So I'll show you guys here. So this is the top of the move, and this is the lower high, and we have broken below this level. So now we are in a daily downtrend. So a couple weeks back, I have been talking about this visual guide as resistance and support. Now we have broken out of that as well. And to the downside, you can see we are out of that. We have bounced off of it many times here, and like 5 times there, like another time here. And now we have broken out of that. So the next level of support I am looking at would be this level right here and this level. So that'll be 166 or 167 pretty much. And if we break that, then we are looking at this weekly support right there. This candle's low. That would be 163.91. So if we do break 160.91, then we are confirming a weekly downtrend. Right now, the weekly trend is in neutral. So you can show you guys right here. So this is the top of the move for the weekly trend. This is the bounce. So we have set that higher low there. And now if we do break this prior low, then it's a weekly downtrend. So we'll see if Tesla can hold that support area. Right now it's holding the roughly this area around here for now. I'm waiting to see what will drop like. There's no way we would drop tomorrow just to all the way down there. I mean, it's possible 6%. We've seen Tesla drop more than 6%, but on top of today's 5%, 2% in the cash open and 3% after hours, then we're gonna drop extra 6. So that'll be a 10% drop tomorrow. I mean, I've seen it before, but I don't think it's that likely because we didn't. The earnings report wasn't that bad. It was in line with expectations. And all right, going to the zooming into 15-minute time frame. So now we are seeing a little bit of a bounce, and so we have to wait for earnings call. Sometimes Elon drops some good news in earnings call, and if not, then we're likely trading sideways into the close. Let's see if we're still in a bear flag. Let's see the top of the move to the bottom of the move. We are still in bear flag territory. If we don't get over this 0.382, it's still a 15-minute bear flag. So bear flag usually looks like this, and it tightens up, and then it decides if it wants to confirm it has to break this low to be a confirmed 15-minute bear flag. And if we don't, then it's a negated bear flag if we do bounce there. That's what I'll be looking at for Tesla. There's 2 levels right here, 167 and 164. And if we do break this one, then the weekly support is coming in. If I were to wanting to add for a swing trade, I would be adding within this range down here. If you're a conservative bull trader, then 164 is more conservative. You can add 164 and you can just set your stop loss slightly below it, because if we do break the weekly support, there's going to be more follow through from the bears. And yeah, so that's the weekly support. So you see right here, we have how many bounces off here: once, twice, 3 times, and there's a couple of times back here. So if we do break that weekly support, there's going to be more downside. So if you're thinking about adding into this weakness, then 164 it's a good area. 164 is a good area to add. Then we can go long from there. And if it does go break down, then you're gonna stop out with a small loss. And so there's one likely here. You can set your stop loss close to this, below this low. That'll be 162.7. So yeah, so you're risking like $1 $1.30. That's not much. If you add there and you set your stop loss like 162.6 or something, just slightly below this one, and you're good to go. And if we do mounts, then you're good. You can take partial profits and then set your stop loss back to break 164. And even if it drops back to 164, it stops you out, you still have a profit. That's usually how as short-term swing traders do it. Take some profit, half a position, and now you're completely risk-free of all your trades. Even though it comes back to your entry and you stop out there, you are out even with a profit. And if not, you stop out $1.30. It's no big deal. You just go for another trade setup. And that's all I got for you guys on Tesla. And I will update you guys on the weekend if I see anything significant on Tesla price action. I'll let you guys know. And I'll see you guys in the market update. I'm going to go do a QQQ and other big tech stocks update for our daily updates. And feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you guys around.